Now guys, for the first gadget of the week, I've got something big. I mean, really big, because what we have is this. And this is the all-new Audi RS e-tron GT Performance. This car in terms of power, okay, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. 680 kilowatts of power, 1027 newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 I told you 2.5 seconds. The range is 592 kilometers, and this car can charge up to 320 kilowatts. It means from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. This car has, of course, air suspension. Now this is active suspension. Watch what happens when I just open this door, okay? Look at the height rise instantly. This is in real time, by the way. This is not speed up. I'll close the door. The car will move down. Just take some time. See, it goes down. मैं एक बार अंदर जाता हूँ and we'll see what's the difference. Okay. First things first, there's more carbon camouflage right on the door sill, if you see, and in fact also on the door, if you see from the side angle. So this car is like, packed with this new material. In fact, also on the dash, अगर आप देखोगे ना, तो यहाँ पे you have the exact same treatment going on, and this car kind of speaks performance. Considering the way the steering wheel is, I mean, of course, you have all the controls right here. They are touch sensitive, but the biggest of all is this RS button. And then of course this boost option is also present. Gives you instant boost, of power for up to 10 seconds for quick overtakes and quick performance jumps. We have the screen right here to control all the basic stuff. Works like normal, of course. Android Auto, CarPlay se usme chalne wala hai. The gear shift selector is quite small, just like a kind of small section right here. 360 camera, of course, we are getting. We have this big start-stop button right in the center. Key is quite familiar, like a typical Audi key. We have some cubby space right here to put in some, maybe your phone, your wallet, something. Yahan pe we have two cup holders and storage space right inside with two USB-C ports. We got amazing bucket seats, of course, with the RS badging right here. This car feels like, yes, you can turn this car into a rocket ship, of course. Trust me when I say this, the performance is the real highlight here, because EVs in general, they have this quick pickup, काफी मजा आता है, the drive is quite fun, but sometimes psychologically you are like, क्या ये perform कर पाएगी? Well guys, let me tell you, this car goes on top of the already really high up there, the RS variant. We had a test yesterday जहाँ पे we were going really hard on the corners, but because this has the new active suspension, the car was feeling like completely flat. Like inside, the comfort was really good. And overall, in terms of performance, in terms of 0 to 100, in terms of all the new flavors coming in, the new carbon camouflage, this interior gives you the vibe that yes, this is the performance variant that you're driving. And trust me, EVs in future, I mean, we are on the right track, I believe. 0 to 100 in just 2.5 seconds. Just push it, the car behaves instantly. Like there's zero delay in terms of the response, and the drive is fun. So ये जो experience है, trust me, I mean, I can't wait this car to come to India, जहाँ पे India में all my friends who want that extra performance from their EVs, this would be the car to look at. The Audi RS e-tron GT Performance. Well, normal की भी performance जो है वो कोई कम नहीं है, but if you really want the best, this is the one, and we'll just go very easily. Smooth overtake. Right now cruising at 160, pretty easy, quite fun.